Welcome back to my another new vlog. So guys, I am now in a forest. You can see this is a deep forest. This is actually a haunted. This is actually a haunted forest, and here you can see this guy is disturbing me. He is now disturbing me. He is now.
There is a very dangerous forest.
This is actually a haunted forest. You can see. So let's. And now I am showing you the farm. This is a farm. Take a look. Take a look. And this is a forest, deep forest. You can see the entire view of this place. This is a tower, I think. The tower, and now I am going to this. And now I am going to this.
फिसल के फट जाएगा. फट जाओगे.
I am now in a farm.
गिर जाओगे.
This actually इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, चिली का एक फार्म है यहाँ पे, आप देख सकते हो. एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड, नाइस. एंड
और ये क्या है?
एंड एक्चुअली देयर आर नॉइस, आई थिंक नॉइस.
और ये
and it's the best view, I think. And you can see there is a cow, I think.
मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है यहाँ पर.
And there are some chili, and I want to eat this. These are very best. And I will eat this.
एक.
Can I?
ये रहा.
Can I eat this? This is the chili. You can see this chili. This is very sour, I think. Actually, you can see this haunted forest. I am taking some video of haunted forest. It's actually so much haunted that you can't imagine. किसको?
ये खेत को?
एक बहुत एक haunted farm है. I can tell you this is the haunted. This is my haunted farm. This is actually the most of the haunted farm in my village. You can see. You can take a look of this farm, and this is very haunted. This is very haunted farm, I think. And actually I am now in this vlog I have shown you my haunted vlog in my haunted farm in my village, and by this way I am now ending my vlog. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next vlog. Bye.